Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make automatic borders in your Excel spreadsheet. It's pretty easy to do. A lot of times you'll maybe find yourself just selecting data. You got a couple rows of data here, you select it. There's a couple ways to do it. You just go to the border tab, select all borders. You can go that route, but I'm going to show you how to make it so it's automatic. As you add data, it just will automatically generate those outside borders for you. Whichever columns have your data, you just want to highlight those. So we're going to go to conditional formatting, and then we're going to go down to new rule, and we want to go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So then we're going to do equals, and we're going to select the top cell there, and then we're going to hit F4 so that there's the dollar sign is in front of the B, so that's going to select our column. And then we're going to do, instead of preview, it says no format set, we're going to go to format. And then we're going to go to border, and we're going to go to outline, and that will select all of the border there, and then we'll hit OK. And then we'll hit OK. So now if we go back down to our data here, we're going to hit 3, and you can see it will automatically fill it in. So as we keep doing this, it's just going to keep generating automatic borders for our data set here. So very convenient to use, especially if you have a ton of different columns. This will make things very, very easy. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.